In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a free flyer poster in Canva. We'll keep everything simple, clear, and completely free from start to finish, so you can create something polished without spending a cent. Once you are in Canva, head to the search bar and type flyer or poster. Flyers are typically 8.5 by 11 inches in the US and a 4 in many other places. Choose the size that matches where you'll print or share your design. This gives you a perfect starting canvas without needing to set custom dimensions. Next, browse the templates. You'll see a wide range of styles for events, businesses, and social promotions. To keep your design free, avoid any templates with the crown icon, which indicates paid pro content. Pick a layout that matches your vibe. Something clean if you want a modern look, or bold if you need attention from a distance. Now customize the design. Click any placeholder text to change it. Update fonts, colors, and sizes, so your headline stands out, your subhead supports it, and your details stay readable. Aim for strong contrast between text and background, dark text on a light background or vice versa, and keep fonts to 2 or 3 styles for a cohesive look. Adjust spacing and alignment so everything feels balanced and easy on the eyes. Swap images next. You can upload your own photos or search the Elements tab for free images and graphics. Choose visuals that reinforce your message and don't distract from your text. If a photo competes with your headline, try reducing its transparency slightly or placing a subtle shape behind the text to improve readability. Crop and reposition images so important parts aren't cut off at the edges. Refine your colors and elements. Update the color palette to match your theme, add shapes or icons where needed, and use the position tool to move items forward or backward for neat layering. Keep enough white space around key sections. This makes your flyer feel professional and easy to scan. Add the essentials: a catchy headline, a short main message, and a clear call to action. Make sure the date, time, location, and any website or registration info are obvious at a glance. Place the most important details near the top or bottom where readers naturally look. When everything looks right, click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose Download and select your format. Pick PDF print for crisp results on paper, or PNG for sharing online and on social media. Do a quick proofread, confirm nothing sits too close to the edges, and you are done. Thanks for watching.